Hey folks, so this is not Mr. Teslonian here. Just checking in to show you how I repaired this shovel here. I repeat, this is not Mr. Teslonian. Alright, so what happened here is we had some volunteers using this shovel, and as you can see, they broke it. So what I've basically done is I used the angle grinder, and I got rid of these rivets like this, but this one's a little different. It's got them at different angles. So I ground off those rivets, and now I'm going to put some screws in there, but basically all I did was I ground this piece of wood down so it would fit back in there. And now all we got is a shorter handle. So we call this a trenching shovel. Yep, hope you enjoyed that there, folks.